Good morning to all of you. I, Dr. Robin Chopra, Assistant Professor in Department of Physiotherapy at RPIIT Institute of Medical Sciences, Village Bastada, Karnal. I welcome you all in our YouTube channel that is RPIIT Academics. But before watching, please don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and hit the bell icon. So, let's start the topic. So, today's topic is DNA. DNA stands for deoxyribonucleic acid. Starting with deoxyribonucleic acid, which is a basic genetic material and carries the genetic information from the parents to the offspring of an organism. It forms the chemical basis of hereditary characteristics and it contains the instruction for the synthesis of proteins in the ribosomes. Gene is a part of a DNA molecule and DNA is present in the nucleus, chromosome and mitochondria of the cell. The DNA present in the nucleus is responsible for the formation of RNA. RNA itself regulates the synthesis of proteins by ribosomes and DNA in mitochondria is known as non-chromosomal DNA. So coming to the next point, the basic structure of DNA. So starting with structure of DNA, it is a double-stranded complex nucleic acid. It is formed by deoxyribose, phosphoric acid and four types of nitrogenous bases. And each DNA molecule consists of two polynucleotide chains which are twisted around one to another in a form of double helix. The two chains are formed in the form of a double helix and is formed by the sugar deoxyribose and phosphate group. These two substances form the backbone of the DNA molecule and both chains of DNA are interconnected with each other by some nitrogenous bases. And each chain of DNA molecule consists of many nucleotides and each nucleotide is formed by deoxyribose sugar, phosphate group and two type of nitrogenous bases. First type of nitrogenous bases present in DNA is purines, which is composed of adenine and guanine. And second nitrogenous base is pyrimidines, which is formed of thymine and cytosine. The strands of DNA are arranged in such a way that both are bound by specific pairs of bases. The adenine pairs with thymine of opposite strand. Similarly, the cytosine pairs with guanine on the other hand. It forms the component of chromosomes, that is DNA. DNA forms the component of chromosomes which carries the hereditary information. The hereditary information which is encoded in DNA is called genome. And each DNA molecule is divided into discrete units called genes. So guys, hope so you all understand very well about the DNA and don't forget to subscribe this channel. And for more information, please stay tuned, stay healthy and happy. Till then, goodbye, farewell.